Good morning children. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss the assignment of 10 August 2020. In this assignment, the first question we will see, to prepare vegetable curry, we need different kinds of dash, dash and dash and dash. So if you want to prepare a vegetable curry, what are the ingredients, what are the things we require? So the answer is, first question, the answer is, we require vegetables, salt, spices and oil. Vegetables, salt, spices and oil are required for the preparation of vegetable curry. And the second question, so the second question is, materials which are used to prepare food items are called dash. So they are asking materials which are used for food preparation are called dash. So the answer is ingredients. The answer is ingredients. So ingredients are the things which are used for preparation of the food. And the third question is, different plant parts such as roots, stems, leaves, flowers, seeds and fruits provide dash. So the leaves or the stems or the fruits or whatever you may take the plant part, they are providing us food. They used to provide us food. And the fourth question, then question is, food ingredients in case of cooked rice are dash and dash. So while you are cooking the boiled rice, what are the basic ingredients which we are used for the boiling rice? Boiled rice, nothing but water and rice. Water and rice are the basic ingredients which are used for rice preparation, boiled rice. And the next question, fifth one, idli contains dash ingredients. So how many ingredients that idli is to contain? 2 ingredients. Basically, we used to have the idli, no? So we used to add the salt based on the person and based on the place. They used to have so many other ingredients, but the basic ingredients used to be 2 ingredients we are used for making of or preparation of idli. And the next one, sixth one, the question is, the ingredients present in cooked dal or pulses are dash, dash and dash. So if you see dal, the cooked dal, it is to contain water, salt, oil, spices and the main ingredient dal. These are the things which we are used for preparation of the dal. And the next one, seventh one, you can see, what are the ingredients used to prepare kheer? So kheer is a sweet item generally we used to get in a market and in our houses also our mothers used to prepare. Kheer, what are the basic ingredients which are required for the preparation of kheer? So the answer is milk, rice and sugar. Milk, rice and sugar are the basic ingredients which are used for preparation of the kheer. And the next one, eighth question, the edible part in ginger is what? The stem. Stem is the edible part in the ginger. Okay, the stem used to grow, underground stem used to be there. It used to store the food materials that will become a horizontally long and big. That is called ginger. We used to take stem of a ginger plant as a food. And the next one, ninth one, the edible part in corn is. In corn, what is the edible part? Seeds are the edible parts in the corn. Seeds are the edible parts in the corn. And next one, tenth one, the edible part in cauliflower. Cauliflower is to be there, no? Cauliflower. What is the edible part in the cauliflower? The flower only we used to say, but we used to call in a biologically it as a inflorescence. Inflorescence. Inflorescence is nothing but a cluster of flowers. We can say it is a cluster of flowers combined to form one big flower-like structure. Cauliflower, we used to take it as a food. So with this, we have done all the answers and the questions of 10th dated assignment. I hope everyone is clear with the answer. Thank you.